guys, I am back with another video. Today we are going to the mountains. We're going to Dinky Creek and we're super excited. Stanley, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
He is really excited to go to the mountain, to go into the nature. Lavender, are you happy? Yeah? Okay, bây giờ mùa bị nhá thiên đó là ổn định cho. Okay, we'll follow each other to the mountains.
I'm excited.
You're excited? Go to Shella.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're all very excited. We're gonna go play in the water. We're gonna go swimming. Do you want to go swimming in the water? Em muốn share xuống nó. Nó bị chả blow luôn chứ. Is that what you said last time?
Yeah.
Dạo qua dạo kia xong nó kia lên lên chứ我不是新鲜怎么样去上我都不知道等它收一下下一个省了
这个 Adrian 多了哦。
这个 Adrian K， 你这一听 K， 有个新鲜多些。嗰時擺 Benjamin 都 Adrian 嘅嘛 ，Benjamin 就播新鮮多啲啊。嗰啲嘛你嚟嘛都乜乜咋，要加啲經嘅，我要是新鮮嘅都會生多。都要走嚟Dinky Creek， 都要走 Dinky Creek。Hello, we're here. Well,
Oh, it's still so hot over
not yet. We're almost there. The creek is like literally right there.
Man.
But we're taking a restroom break. And Aries is in the car with Auntie Val.
Aries. She's so cute.
Hi, Mama. She threw up in the car. Her daddy was driving too fast. Tụi mình thành đồ chơi nữa.
Bạn có mặc vô nữa?
Hả? Nó đợi hả?
Love you, Mama.
Bye. Bye.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Love you.
Mwah. Mwah. Mama. Look at her swimsuit. It's so freaking cute. It's lemon.
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 It's so cute.
It's lemon.
Lemon.
Oh, 小弟弟啊，小弟弟啊。
但是nó chỉ biết tốt sao trong đại Dinky Creek là biết từ mua biết cho con thao tự ta là cho sáng đầu nó là cái bé yêu mu bây giờ nó xuống ổn định bé mà đi mua ra đây hậu từ Creek nhớ đồ sao hổ nè chị thì tao cái vỏ tao bên nó xuống đây cho tại sao nó chị cô làm mỗi chọn cái non thổ đó bên nó bên cũng thì tao bây giờ tôi thế mua cái vỏ đâu cái nhúc khá tổ mắm lẩu đó cho nên nhún gì xóa thế tông tông đó cho Phật cầu nó bé cô ở bên linh tôi thế của chuyện ninh đó đâu nó bé chọn nước mua chọn nhật tay lô đã lâu sau đó tôi tới xí lọ dễ cơ tôi số trong nó chỉ chuyện do cho degree it's still very hot up here chẳng tôi cú cơ lo cho mình nhỏ thế sau đó tôi chỉ tao tận một khẩu tư lý chơi nó phải thế lý cho mình nhỏ mua xí số trong nó lú gì lý nó sẽ chơi lợi tư cho các một cần tờ lợi theo. Since it's almost the end of summer, the kids will be going back to school in August. We decided to bring everybody to the mountain to enjoy the water and the outdoor before they all go back to school. Stanley is also going to school too. He's starting preschool in August, and we're all very excited for him.
Sam, are you tired? No.
Oh my God! Jesus! I can't be a cameraman. Wow! It's a train. It's a bus. That's a train horn. Oh yo! Làm rồi tôi không thấy oh.
Yeah, he's so dirty. I know. There's no point of them to look at her. Yeah. Look at her. She's like taking the dirt off her
Rưỡi ăn nuốt rồi nó mì vô.
Yeah.
Oh, what's my phone at? Yeah, it's ugly. No, we're not playing around with it. Come on, take the kind of TikTok. Come on, I need one. And whose bag is that? I'll put. Ryan, see, is that your bag?
Fire pit. You want it? But you're dirty. Wait.
No. That's for my baby. No. You go fishing?
Nó cái vỏ
lót thế này long rồi mua tôi còn gần tí kho phải non
what's up tomato
I know.
peppers
Hi up nó.
steam rolls non chua cái kha tổ
Oh no, my spring rolls.
yeah
Ooh.
tong tong
Oh, what's this
Thai
for?
salad
Oh, that's the sauce for the
Chinese sticky
Oh.
rice cái này ha to sister wa nhà ta lộ wa
No, she told me that was I told her.
Oh.
Who told her?
nhắm bù thia anh chị này nhà ta lùa Cassidy thia của tụi mình chai mama cái nào mama là
Yummy.
bơ cá yummy mình chai này cái kinh nó mọt cái léo này nè Okay. So after we're done eating, then we will go swimming. Cô tuần sáng bên đó là tôi cái chế mù rồi.
Đây, nó nằm bò.
Stanley, you're eating?
What are you eating?
Con nói chị, what are you eating?
Chicken.
Chicken. Good job.
And phở câu. Say phở câu.
Là cái thiên nó phở cầu. Phở cầu mà.
Đúng rồi. You want water? Austin, give a water to a baby. Yay, Clippy. Clippy.
Cho mẹ ăn tô ha.
Clippy.
Cho mẹ ăn tô xì sọt đó nè.
Mình ăn này
Cái
nhá.
chân nhìn nhìn chết sợ.
She loves outdoor. You're welcome.
Mẹ ơi. Cái lúc đó thì tao có cái sái chưa? Nè. Cái sái chi nè, nên nó nữ cho tí tí. À.
Nó chỉ muốn.
Ha.
Cái chị Chi nè. Nước luôn. Đi cái chị mẹ à.
Ai ơi. Cho quả cha liền nè.
Chị này bự sợ, còn nó sao?
Nhưng mà tao nó mèo.
Nó thả.
Nó thả.
Chị này to, nhau này tôi không bự.
Chứ đừng mà mình muốn được bà bé thôi cô gì lúc cha này nè. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go eat too. All right, let me get my daughter first. Mama, hi. What are you eating? Chicken. Say chicken. Hay cầm lên mà. Chicken. Whatever you want to eat, just go and help yourself, okay? Don't be shy, okay?
How do you have time to come out?
I always gotta request off beforehand. Keep it in the shade. Like today, I had to request it off beforehand. Well, actually, I was supposed to work today, but I arranged my shirts.
Yeah. You still working at Starbucks, right?
Xí lâu thế xí lùa. Nó mò.
Is it true you guys are checking for IDs now? For like discounts?
Yeah.
Oh man.
We're supposed to. What kind of IDs?
Cô ơi, rủ ye.
Or military stuff? No, like for our employee discount.
Ryan, rủ ye có ý ở mù. Cô ta hay à?
No paparazzi.
Cô thay for memories với tôi sai à.
Half off?
Rủ ye có ý yêu bài.
Yeah, post it half
Chỉ
off.
có đại ID ở mù vô
I think it's like
Starbucks.
30%
Là chỉ
or
cả
something like
lại tôi check ID của oh shit. Cái này mà.
When you order the way you order, they'll know you're not a Starbucks employee.
Có ý to order anh cô.
I no, it was you.
No.
I don't remember, but
I wasn't there, but I'll say it was me.
but we ordered 2 large drinks, and we only paid $13. But yeah, with the discount, I'm like, holy moly!
Yeah, our drinks are hella expensive now. I don't even go there no more.
How much is it?
How much discount do you guys get?
It's 30% off, and then you get 1 free drink, and then all your other drinks are 30% off.
Oh, that's why.
Chứ nó mới chả. Chứ nó mò.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Chim mùa. Cái chị chim mùa. Ừ. À chị I know. Aries. Có áo. Api chỉ có api. So cute, Mama.
It's a trash bag that is hanging for recycling, right?
Okay. Thanks, Adrian. Cassidy, you're ready to go swimming?
Let's see, you put sunblock? You want sunblock on you?
Drop it inside. Hey, Ryan. Is that the one you bought?
Yeah.
Cassidy, be careful. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself, girl. Do not hurt yourself.
Careful, there's a lot of rocks, so you have to be careful.
Let me rub that.
Okay, Jesse.
Oh my god. It feels so good. I just don't want to go all the way down.
Tôi thay để nửa lo thì tôi sai nha.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a tomato, bro.
Aries. Hi, cutie. Huh?
He's good.
Yeah. What the potato? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Ano buto?
Hi.
Hả? Bỏ cái này hả?
Fine. I haven't brought them to
Oh shit.
Wait.
Oh, feels good.
Don't show me your pee.
That's the pee right here, dude. Don't go.
Don't go right there. Your brother loves pee. How's the water?
Good.
Yeah?
Fishing.
Yeah?
Got you.
You got me.
It's so good, and I don't like the one that we went here.
Yeah?
I was like going crazy.
This spa is better?
Yep. Hey! Leave me alone. What was it mean?
Flake, I see.
Oh, Lavender, you love the water. Oh, I hit a rock.
Yeah. Lalu pasal lang dia kata. Lalu pasal lang dia kata.
Oh.
Don't flood. Watch my baby. Do not let her
Have to stop pulling her down.
She loves the water.
Watch this go. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Hello.
You okay? Yeah, I'm good. Layla, come here. That's some gas, Cassie. Okay. Me in the video. Hi. Get away. My feet is like unbalanced.
Let me start the rock with her.
Wait. Cassie, don't push me.
Hi. I might get out. They go. I'm not going out.
What's up, Cassidy? Are you
Look
cold?
what I found.
What is that?
A crystal.
A crystal?
Yeah. I was collecting crystals, but I can't keep it.
It's cute. Yes, I am.
I love your video.
How many subscribers do you have?
I think I have like 85 subscribers. Only 85.
This is 100.
Yeah. But it's taking forever, but it's okay, honestly. Oh, I enjoy like vlogging and taking videos of you guys for memories.
Yep.
Yeah, so
Philip, where's your
it takes
sister?
time to get subscribers.
Get
Subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel. Say that, Blake.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to my auntie's channel.
Subscribe to my auntie's channel and like.
And thank you, Blake. You guys are the best supporters.
Subscribe.
Aries, bye-bye, Aries. Bye-bye.
I'm going to say that at the same time, though.
Hey.
Can you take me back to the store?
Yeah. Go where Angel? She's always like that.
It's
so hot.
Ow!
Subscribe, everyone.
Push.
Mm-hmm.
'Cause he wants to go, huh? He wants to go. 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 He wants to go.
nhiều. Đây. Nhìn nhỏ tôi khó đến từ từ nó này. Có mấy chị ăn chạy.
Okay, careful.
You guys be careful not. Đi nhà. Wow. Yeah. Waterfall.
Waterfall, baby. Do you like it? Having fun? Yeah.
Waterfall.
Nó thô trọng. Đi sau à? Waterfall, wow. Wow, mất mày đi à? Lửa, lửa. Wow. 그거 진짜 갔다 오면 뭐다?
Was like making noise, right? Then when she lift over, they shy on, new red suffering, huh? The phone was halfway in her.
Daddy là sợi bây giờ.
The suffering was like this, bro.
Thế Daddy.
The suffering was tilting like this.
Ta chỉ biết là sợi bây
The
giờ.
two right bolt was like halfway in, dude.
Yeah, go vibrate. Tama ho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fucking.
Aries.
I know.
Cái là xả là.
Because that's why my brother's
Cái là xả là.
car.
Good job. Good job, Mama.
And then one day like, bố you gay á, like place the other. Đây ai trả rồi vibrate. Tama. I got the I was like, oh shit, you gay.
Daisy back.
What's up, Zeke? Are you
Yeah,
good?
Yeah. Because there's like a little
You're sleepy?
like a middle piece. Yeah.
You're tired. If you're tired, you can take a nap.
That makes
Yeah.
a difference.
Go ahead.
I was like, what you all?
Xuyên tờ chè của theo lúc tao lúc chia.
Okay, Adrian.
Open it.
Aries.
Oh, sorry. Say hi, look.
What's up, Mama?
Okay, that's it. That's too wasting too much water. That's it.
That's a lot of drinking water, Adrian.
I know. Say hi.
Meme,
Hi to you too.
did you have fun today? Hello. Kim Charlina. Bro. Hi.
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 Subscribe.
Hi.
Đi bỏ hi nhỉ anh à.
Nên gì nữa nè.
Say hi.
Why does she have
Go
her,
blow kiss. Mwah.
No kisses.
Go kiss. Mwah. Mwah.
It's on you! It's on you!
No.
No, 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 no.
No.
Yeah, no.
Happy.
Is it on me?
Yay.
It likes me. I'm gonna go sit. Angel.
Bé đã đi thả chị. Bây giờ là nhỏ nó cởi bé khóa cho bé mà đi. Chéo. Tôi nhớ phụ bé nó rồi. Lavender is waiting to get dry too. Lavender! Lavender!
Bigger.
Yeah, I did it.
I think you need to order that again. You need to order that because down to the baby.
Dạ.
Quay tới thời mình ai, quay tới thời ít thì mình ăn thì giàu á, ít thì mình ăn luôn mì trong này thì xí luôn à. Đây đây nó là. Thế em ăn lúc plá rồi nữa, ít thì mình ăn lúc plá trong cái này xí.
Chị chơi rồi nè.
Oh my god. Vẫn chơi chạy dầu lo insect lấy nữa à.
Cái chúng mua đèn đâu lo, ấy này phổ lắm bao nè.
Cũng mất chiều nào cũng lắm thôi. Good job, guys.
Look fish.
Good job.
What is you too? That's me fun. Maya, I like play water. My little bird.